Yeah, welcome back. The last element for unit number three, that is a job evaluation. Here, we need to understand one aspect. One is an job analysis, performance appraisal, and job evaluation. People will be confused here. What is in understanding the mean of each element? When you see the job analysis is a systematic process examining the activities performed at a specified job. That is called job analysis. Through that, we are able to describe the job description and as well as the job specification. Whereas you come to the performance appraisal is evaluating the employee's strength and weakness in performing of a specified job. That is about performance appraisal. When you come to the job evaluation, we are evaluating a job. It means to say that we are evaluating not the person, we are evaluating a job. Means job evaluation is a process of systematic examining of a specified job for valuing of the job in the organization. It means the credit worthiness or the worthiness of the particular job will be identified by using of the job evaluation. So what we do under the job evaluation is job under the job evaluation we understand that what is the importance of specified job in the entire organization. That is what exactly the job evaluation. Now coming to the inside what it was, we say we need to a job evaluation is a systematic way of determining the value and worth of the job in relation to the other jobs into the organization. In comparison with the other jobs in the organization, what is the worth of an individual one individual job or one job in the organization is known as the job evaluation. What it will do, it will systematically examine job evaluation. It will systematically examine a comparison of between a job and to assess the relative worth for the purpose of the establishing a rational pay structure. It attempts to identify input that are most valuable to the organization to develop the job hierarchy based on which the job are more or less for those dimensions. Simple way why we will evaluate the job, we'll evaluate the job because to fix the salary, to propose the hierarchy into the organization. So here already I told you the difference between the job evaluation and performance appraisal. Job evaluation is a systematic examination of the job and worth of the job will be identified. Performance appraisal is examining the performance of individuals, their strength and as well the weakness will be examined in performing of a specified job by an individual. That is called the performance appraisal. So here by using of the job evaluation we are able to determine the worth of the job. Through that we are able to fix the fair wage to that, and based on that we are able to describe the hierarchy job positional hierarchy will be described by using of job evaluation. So here there are the features of the job evaluation is the purpose of job evaluation is to produce a defensive ranking of jobs on which a rational and acceptable pay structure can be built. Now we already discussed this. The important feature of the job evaluation is job evaluation try to assess the job, not people. The standards of job evaluation is relative, not absolute. It is an only relative, it not absolute. The basic information on which job evaluation are made obtained from the job analysis only, and job evaluation is carried out by groups, not by individual. Some degree of subjectivity is always present in the job evaluation, and the job evaluation does not fix the pay scale, but merely it provides the basic for evaluating the rational wage structure. So these are all the basic features of the job evaluation. Now we are talking regarding the process of the job evaluation. Job evaluation is a systematic process where we are going to be examining the job, examining a specified worth of a particular job. We do in a systematical manner. That's why it is in a process. So here, before undertaking the job, the top management must explain the aim of the use of the program to employees and as well as the unions. So this is very much important. While you are going to make the job evaluation, first we need to gain the acceptancy. gaining the acceptance is we need to inform to the people why we are doing the job evaluation. Why? Because otherwise, it gives the negative communication, negative signs to the trade unions and as well as the workers, and unnecessary fears will be developed into the employee and make the job evaluation process complex. That's why initially we need to gain the acceptance from all the employees and as well as the trade unions and from the stakeholders of the organization. And we need to second step is in creating the job evaluation committee. Once after that is called pre-approach. Gaining acceptance is a pre-approach. After the acceptance, we need to go for the job evaluation committee will be constituted. Either it is a single person will be evaluate the key job in an organization. It is not a single person is not possible to make an evaluation of all the jobs into the organization. That's why a committee will be constituted. And the second thing is in finding the job to be evaluated, which jobs to be evaluated, we need to identify. After that, we need to analyze and prepare the job description for every job. Means that called job analysis plays a role, and means in job evaluation, job analysis play a role in describing of the job. And the fourth step is selecting the method of the evaluation. There are the different methods are there for the job evaluation. There are four fundamental methods are there. We use that method for evaluating the job, and we classify the jobs. After that, we classify the jobs which are higher based upon the skill requirement, based upon the experience, based upon the job conditions, and based upon the responsibilities, based upon the supervision needed, based on the stress, based on the that's what there are different criteria are made. Based on that, we try to classify the jobs. After that, we installing the program. The sixth step is on once the evaluation process is done, the management explain to the employee, put into the operation. Based on that, the information will be communicated again to the stakeholders regarding how they evaluated. We review periodically in the light of change into the environment. We need to like technological change, product change, service change, etc. The job needed to be examined closely, and the criteria maybe they will take the different sort of criteria, and finally they can update the job evaluation process. This is the process of job evaluation. There are the methods. Job evaluation methods are there are four type of methods. We're having ranking method, classification method, point method, and factor comparison method. In the ranking method, what we do, we try to give ranks to every job into the organization. In this method, from the highest to lowest, in order to value the job merits and of the value or merit of the merits to be considered, and based on that, ranking will be done. Jobs can be arranged in according to the relatively difficulty in performance of the job. The highest difficulty is treated as a rank 1. Lowest criticality is treated as a lower level value. So jobs are usually ranked in each department. Then the department rankings are combined to develop the organizational ranking. First, jobs, that first we make the individual jobs, and after that group we make as a departmental, and finally we can say that called departmental individual job ranking, departmental ranking, and organizational ranking will be given to every job. That's called one method, ranking method. Another is a job classification method. Here under this method, a predetermined number of job groups and job classes are classified, and jobs are assigned to these classifications. Simple. This is mostly will be done into the organizations. Am I right? We have a certain sort of classification like technical, non-technical, and usually we'll satisfy. In colleges, we say teaching, non-teaching, clerical, supervisory, as like that. Similarly, in the organizations also, we try to classify them based on their executive skilled workers, semi-skilled workers, and unskilled workers. As like that, it comes under the class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. We classify the people, and the job evaluation will be done based on the category, based upon the category. Okay, then we are having the point method. Under this is one sort of evaluation method mostly organizations are using. Under this method, some points will be considered, and it means some elements will be considered. For every element they give the weightage, and the jobs are evaluated on the priority basis, and whatever the points we got, that called Likert scale will be developed. And in the Likert scale, we will see that called how the job is based on job difficulty, job skill requirement, and level in the job, impact of the job on the organization. As like that, some points will be given, and for every point a weightage will be given. By adding of all the weightages, the highest weightage value job will be taken as a highest ranking. So based on that, we fix the pay grades. That's about the point method. Factor comparison method, we make it as a systematic and scientific of job, scientifically this method, and using it is a most complex method also to all consist of the consistency. Under this method, instead of ranking complete jobs, each job is ranked according to the series of factors. We take into the consideration of the different factors like mental effort, physical effort, skills needed, responsibility, working condition, known how to, problem solving, accountability. These are all the factors will be considered, and that factors are compared for every job. One job is compared to with 100. So that in all these 100, what is the highest criteria which will come, highest factor which will come, that will be treated as an highest job. So we have in the process also, first we job analyzed and factors are identified, evaluated the structure, and pay rate will be assigned to that. This is about the job evaluation techniques. With this, we are concluding. Thank you.